Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All, where you get smarter every single time you watch one of our videos. Now today we're going to do a little test and see if the most powerful backpack blowers will actually move a vehicle, a 3/4 ton van. Let's see if it'll do it. Here we are, we're going to see if the most powerful backpack blower in the entire world will push this 3/4 ton van back. Sorry for the wind, it's a beautiful day here in Pensacola, but this is the rig right here. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools can be found.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez, Clint Eastwood. He loves that, so that's what he's going with from there on. Let's go make this happen. All right, here's how it's gonna go. I'm going to go fire up the backpack blower. I'm going to stand back as far as I can and still be in frame. I'm going to slowly walk up towards the bumper, blowing on the bumper, and see if we can get that van to move. Funny. Now that's how it's supposed to come off. You just keep rolling it up in there so you're grabbing the peels right off. This is the most powerful backpack blower on the planet. Mr. Know-It-All, out. GoPro, stop recording.